Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you what I'm burning and melting around the house. And yeah, in my the pantry area, I just lit up the Sensationals, black pepper, and rosemary. So yeah, this is a scent that's probably not for everyone, but it's growing on me. It's like a soapy, greenery, cologne-y kind of scent, and it's quite strong, very long lasting, and yeah, I really actually do like it. And then so we're doing some spring cleaning, and we're going to clean the grout. So after all these dogs running around and getting into the garden and tracking in mud, the tile was getting pretty filthy, especially the grout. So we are using this Zep grout cleaner and whitener. And with this one, you don't have to scrub. You just put it on, you wait maybe a minute, and then we take the old bucket and mop here. And yeah, it does a really, really good job. And you don't have to work hard. That's what I like. You don't have to scrub and scrub. This does the scrubbing for you. And so I'll show you. So that's before. You can see the grout's pretty dirty. And then this is after. So looking much, much better. So we have quite a large area to do. We have to do in the kitchen here, and then the eat-in area down the hallway and to the front. So we're just doing a little bit at a time because we don't want the puppies getting their paws into this. I'm sure it's very, very harsh. So we're just doing a little bit at a time. But man, oh man, it looks like a brand new tile. And then, oh, I got my matcha tea. This is strawberry matcha tea. And yes, it looks like something I drain out of people's stomachs at work. Yeah, but it actually is very good. I really do like it. And matcha tea is very high in antioxidants, has lots of benefits in that. And this is a little Buddha that I purchased at HomeSense, and it was just $7.99. And it has this, I'm going to put it outside, it has this little citronella candle in it. Now you can't take this off to pop out the wax or anything, but I think it looks a little bit short, so it might be a little too small for a votive. So I thought I would just put some tea lights in there. You can buy citronella tea lights. But yeah, I'm getting kind of into meditation to help my anxiety and stress and that, so I was going to put him outside there. And also from the same company is this Dragonfly, and this was also $7.99. And again, has a little tea light on top there. And so yeah, I was going to find some citronella tea lights. I have seen them in HomeSense and Winners, Marshalls, and grocery stores also. And I did get a couple of little cups. I usually buy at least one little bunny cup every spring. And this is from that story, I Love You to the Moon and Back, I believe it is. So Friends for Life, and the cutest little bunnies on there. And then this teacup says Never Stop Exploring. So there's North and South America, and then it's got Europe, Asia, etc. on this side. So I love things with maps on it, especially very antique-y looking maps. And oh, it's time for the puppy's monthly medication. And here I have Yankee Candle's Emerald Isle. It's a beautiful greenery scent, a little bit sweet. Has not a bad throw. When there's no cooking going on in that, it's probably about a medium throw in a smaller room. I'm going to try it in a smaller room at some point. But yeah, look at the labels, just beautiful. He just really wants to go to Ireland, so one of these times we will. I'd love to hop over to Scotland too, and England. But yeah, now it's kind of being overtaken by the Sensationals Ice Lemon Sugar Cookie. And boy, this is strong. I can smell this all the way upstairs from the kitchen, so that tells me it is strong. And you definitely get the lemon. You do get that like shortbread cookie kind of scent in there, like the cookie dough. yeah, it's very strong. It's really yummy. And these are a few in this pile that I'd like to try to get through this month. There's Herb Garden, which is beautiful for the spring. There is Crimson, Pink Sugarberry. Love strawberry scents. Fake, authentic, I don't care. I love strawberry scents. It brings back wonderful childhood memories. And that's Sunlit Strawberry Patch, Yankee Candles, Summer Storm. This one's a beautiful floral, the Sunset Azalea Creek. And of course, we're into April, so be going through a lot of these, the Rainy Day. What's up, Mildred? I mean, Abby. Calling you by the other name, eh? You look tired. Look at those red bloodshot eyes. You're looking tired. Okay, in the family room. Now, last video you might have noticed I had a couple of rabbits popping out of ceramic eggs. Well, Abigail decided to chew that up to little bits. Luckily, she chews things, but she doesn't swallow them, or we'd have her at the vet every day. But anyway, she kind of destroyed my cute little bunny rabbits. But anyway, I have Spring Days going here. This is probably one of the strongest Yankees I've burnt. This is my second one. The first one did really well. So I found 3 more of these at the discount stores, and I scooped them up because it's just a very unique, watery, musky floral. I just really, really like this scent, and the label is just absolutely adorable. And yeah, this one, it has a strong throw. This is probably at least 8 or 9 out of 10. And yeah, I was worried when I bought the 3 newer candles that they wouldn't be as strong as the one I had purchased a few years ago. But this one is doing really, really well. I have no issues. I absolutely love the scent on this. And yeah, if you see it, you know, sniff it on cold if you like it. Yeah, I think you'll be happy with this one. Okay, and in the powder room is Michael's Ashen Candles Island Hideaway. And this one, oh, this burner is from Yankee a couple years ago. It's so pretty. Yeah, this one it's light enough that I would probably just put it in like a smaller room like the powder room here. It does have a light throw, but it fills out the powder room and wanders out a little bit. Just that nice kind of fresh, watery, salty air kind of scent. So it's not overly strong, but it's good for the powder room. And in the office, I have Bath & Body Works Sweet Honeybee. And boy, this is strong. This smells very, very similar to the DW's, was it Sweet Honey Nectar, I think that one's called. Yeah, both of these are very strong. This is really strong. This is like a 8, 9 out of 10. Probably even closer to a 10. It's very, very strong. It's just that very, very deep, rich honey scent. This would do very good in a very big, open concept area. Yeah, no problems smelling this one. And I put it out last night before I went to bed, and I could still smell this this morning. So kind of a nice transitional scent into spring and into summer. But holy moly, this sucker is strong. And then in the bedroom, I have Scentsy's Amber Hollow, and Patricia Noses to Toes was good enough to mail this to me. And I just popped it in this morning. Now, you know what? I do get amber, but I get like a spiciness, like a food spicy smell to it, which is really, really good. I really do like this one. I know it's maybe not for everyone, but I get a spicy, foody kind of amber. Very, very unique. I haven't smelled anything like this, and I really actually do like it. I love unusual kind of scents, so this is right up my alley. So thanks again, Patricia. I'm really enjoying this one. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And I hope your spring's going well for you so far. So everyone take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.